Yeah. I'll wait, RG, for the final draft ng rules. But I think it's a good idea na magka-conciliation. But in this case kasi, this is all about the new Senate building, the delays and the cost, and developing yung story. Just this week, I found out maraming tinatago sa atin. Sino nagtatago, bakit tinatago, I haven't gotten to that. But I've finally received caches, halos a half room full of documents. We're going through it. And people are either blatantly lying or